Hey there, fellow divas. It's me, Mika, the product manager behind DIVA 9.4, back again to share an exciting new feature that releases soon. Introducing the Object Explorer in DIVA 9.4, a game changer for navigating your archives. Create folders across any storage location at the click of a button to organize assets. This can be tailored to anyone. All you have to do is name the folder, add any tags you like, and start organizing assets. Quick context menus give you instant access to key actions like viewing properties and initiating restores. Let's go ahead and copy this file into our new folder. You can also pin and unpin folders or assets, keeping your frequently accessed content right at your fingertips. Clicking into an asset allows you to easily see object metadata, thumbnails, instances, and more. We can even wash a proxy right from DIVA's web interface. Here's a personal favorite clip of mine. It's structured, intuitive, and makes managing your assets a total breeze. Think of it as a supercharged file browser built for media environments. And don't even worry about messing up. You can always delete a folder and change your hierarchy as your needs change with it. DIVA 9 is built to accommodate you, however you choose to work. Let's face it, everyone has their own style. Restoring assets is just as simple. Start a job, track real-time progress in the Jobs tab, and customize your restores. It's faster, more flexible, and solves the headaches of legacy systems. Ready to upgrade your content management? Dive into DIVA 9.4's Object Explorer today.